Hello everyone, I finally made it to Nova Scotia. I'm on the Cape Breton Island, and at present I'm at the Cape Breton Islands Highlands National Park. I'm staying in a small town called Chetty Camp, not far from this place. Behind us here, this is French Lake, and I'll be here in Nova Scotia for 7 days, and from what I've seen so far, this is going to be epic. The views here are incredible. There's so much to do, so much to see, and 7 days isn't going to cut it, but I'm going to do the best I can. I'm going to do something each and every day, maybe 2 or 3 things each and every day. I don't know. But right now I'm on the Cabot Trail. The Cabot Trail runs some 186 miles. It's a loop. And it is absolutely gorgeous. And along the way here, it seems like I'm stopping every 15 minutes because I see something and I go, wow. So come along with me and you're going to see what I'm talking about.